my dear followers, happy Epiphany Day. We are celebrating this amazing holiday on January 19th. I'd love to tell you about our crazy tradition. What actually you need to do, you need to go for a plunge in icy water. Unfortunately, I'm not in Kyiv right now, but I won't skip this crazy tradition and we are going to do that right now. And don't forget, you need to dip in 3 times, okay? So let's do it. Are you ready?
It is believed that if you do that, you can get rid of your sins and it can bring good health for you. Ukrainians think all water becomes holy on Epiphany. Some also think that freezing water can have beneficial health effects.
Guys, thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below, have you ever tried it before? If not, would you ever dare to try it? Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.